Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect bookkeeping feeds in one tap in Starling Business. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect bookkeeping feeds in one tap in Starling Business, all you got to do is simply connect your bookkeeping feeds with your Starling Business through the Starling Marketplace app. So once you go and tap open your Starling Marketplace, so you can get access to it. So for this, you need to simply connect a third-party account provider. Starling Bank integrates directly with several popular accounting platforms through its in-app marketplace. So some supported partners are Xero, QuickBooks, and FreeAgent. So you need to open the Starling application and navigate to the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you need to find your provider. You can simply browse or search for your chosen accounting software and connect your account. After this, you need to simply sync your data and your transactions will automatically feed into your accounting software in real time by the help of this. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.